Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by loading the beat so recording fits. Create a new project, then import the audio file by dragging it into the timeline or using Upload. Make sure you set the project BPM and key to match the beat so timing and pitch align. Once the beat is visible, solo or mute other tracks and set playback to loop the section you'll record. You also should check input levels, lower input if clipping. This gets you ready to record precisely. Now arm a new track for vocals and choose your mic input. Enable monitoring so you hear yourself over the beat. Do a quick sound check and set gain to avoid clipping, then add a light high pass and gentle compression on the vocal track to control dynamics. Use pre-roll and loop on the bar range you want to nail. Practice a couple takes until timing feels natural. When ready, hit record and perform full takes, focusing on consistent distance from the finish by comping the best phrases. Slice takes, align timing, and merge clips into a single clean vocal track. Once done, apply corrective EQ to remove muddiness and add a musical reverb or delay for space. Automate fader rides to keep vocal presence consistent. Make sure the vocal sits well under the beat, reduce beat level, or use sidechain if needed. Finally, export as a stem or final mix at standard sample rate. If you hear artifacts, check for clipping on individual clips as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.